Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Loud noises can potentially harm your unborn baby. Prolonged exposure to extremely loud sounds, above 85 decibels, can stress both you and your baby, potentially affecting fetal development. It's crucial to avoid prolonged exposure to noisy environments, like concerts or construction sites. Wearing ear protection when in unavoidable noisy areas can help minimize risks.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.